all the magical people? So, yesterday was all about a magical morning, and today's practice is the last day of practicing something for the past. Okay, so today it's magical people who made a difference in your life. So, let's start it. So it's day 12, magical people who made a difference. So in this picture, you can see there's a sofa kept, and on the table, there is an album where photos are pasted. Okay. So basically, today's practice is all about your near and dear ones, maybe your friends, your relatives, your family members, your siblings. It can be anyone who made a magical difference in your life. We are going to give gratitude to those people from the past. Okay. So at times, our own light goes out and is rekindled by a spark from another person. Each one of us has cause to think with deep gratitude of those who have lightened the flame within us. In day to day lives, we face a lot of time when we feel low, when we don't feel energetic, when we want some motivation, some confidence from some other person, right? So there are some other people who actually create a lot of difference in our lives, who motivates us, who gives their advice, who guides us, and basically in all our low times, they are always there with you, standing strong without judging you, right? Everyone must be having some people or the other who are there, who doesn't judge them and are always there in the lows and highs, right? So today is the day to express your deep gratitude for whosoever has lightened your life, right? So every one of us has received help, support, or guidance from other people at particular times in our life when we needed it the most. It can be our friends, our siblings, our parents, relatives, anyone, right? At some point of time, everyone must have received some help and support, right? Sometimes another person alters the course of our life through their encouragement, guidance, just by being there at the right moment. So, there are many people जो हमारे लाइफ में इतना इम्पैक्ट लेके आते हैं, they are so close to us that we feel very safe and secure around them, right? कितने सारे लोगों का तो guidance and mentorship से our entire life changes. Correct. So sometimes, some other people changes the course of our life only through their encouragement, through their guidance, or, just by being there. And उन सबका importance बहुत है life में, and we actually take them for granted most of the time because we don't appreciate or acknowledge their efforts, right? So today is the day when you are going to express your deep gratitude to those people who are here silently sitting beside you to always motivate you, guide you, and be your support, right? And then life goes on, and we tend to forget those times when one person touched us or changed our life. Sometimes we don't even realize the impact a person had until well into the future when you look back on your life and realize that a particular person was pivotal in magically changing the direction of your life for the better. हम बहुत टाइम तक तो रियलाइज ही नहीं करते कि उस इंसान का इतना ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट था. I'll share my story. When I was a student in my school, okay, 2-3 friends who have created an impact in my life until today. I feel so grateful and blessed to have those people, right? Similarly, when I went for my high studies to Delhi for my graduation, we were a group of 8 people, and those friends have created a great impact in my life. Trust me, until date I feel so grateful to have them here today. Also, there are times when you feel so low in life, but there are 1-2 people who actually are there to always guide you, to motivate you always without judging you. I'm blessed to have those people in my life, and trust me, I'm sure each and every one must have, taken support, guidance from some people or the other at some point of time. Until now, if you're not connected to those people, telling you, please express your gratitude, bring them back in your life, because वो कुछ एक दो इंसान लाइफ में ऐसा होना बहुत 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 जरूरी है, who doesn't judge you, who are there when you need them, right? So today we'll express our gratitude for those people जो हमें जब से हम born हुए हैं अभी तक, जिसने भी हमारे लाइफ को lighten up किया है. Okay, so the person may have been a teacher, a coach, uncle, aunt, sibling, grandparent, or any family member. Okay, they may have been a doctor, a nurse, or a best friend. They may have been the person who introduced you to your current partner or to a particular interest that became one of your greatest passions. Maybe they were someone you didn't even know, and they appeared in your life very briefly, performing a random act of kindness that touched you to the core. You know, at times there are some people who come in our life for some period of time, but उनका एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस, उनका एक्ट ऑफ लव केयर हमें अंदर तक टच कर देता है. वी फील सो ब्लेस्ड टू हैव मेट दोज पीपल इन आवर लाइफ, राइट? There might be, some people in our home only. Like my father, I consider him the biggest inspiration in my life, and he's one of them. He has always guided me and, helped me achieve all of my dreams. There were times when I failed, when I was very, very low in my life, but there are, two, three people for whom I feel like blessed like to the core. Okay. So similarly, I'm sure you all must be having some people or the other who have created this difference in your life. My grandmother gave me my love for books, cooking, and the countryside. By sharing her love for those things with me, all of them affected and changed the course of my life. Cooking became a passion of mine for over 20 years. My love for books eventually led to me becoming a writer, and my love of the countryside has influenced where I have lived throughout my life. देखो, हर इंसान अपने लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ इम्प्रेशन छोड़ के चला जाता है. दैट इज द वे वी टेक फ्रॉम देम. तो हमारी मेमोरीज रह जाती है कि ये हमने इससे सीखा, ये हमने इससे सीखा, ये आदत मेरे को इनसे आई. Right? So that is the way people influence our life and change the course of our life. My grandmother also disciplined me with a steel hand to say thank you. At the time, I thought she was just teaching me to be polite. It was only later in my life I realized that teaching me to say the magic words was the greatest gift my grandmother ever gave me. Okay, she's not alive anymore, but I continue to be grateful to her for the huge influence she had on the course of my life. Thank you, Grandma. Like similarly, like her grandma, we also have some people who are here, who teaches us every day, who motivates us, who inspires us, who disciplines us, right? उन सबका influence अपने life को बनाने में इतना ज़्यादा है कि we fail to express it at times. Today is the day when you need to express your gratitude for those people. Today you are going to think about the magical people who have impacted your life. Find a quiet place alone sometime during the day today. Sit down and think of 3 extraordinary people who have made a difference in your life. Right? Today, आज आपको शांत से एक जगह में बैठना है, and you need to think about 3 people who have who have brought extraordinary difference in your life. ठीक है? Once you have 3 people in your mind, एक बार आपने सोच लिया 3 लोगों का नाम, work with 1 person at a time. आपको एक एक इंसान के साथ ग्रैटिट्यूड फील करना है, एक्सप्रेस करना है, एक एक देना. ओके, वन बाय वन. And talk out loud to each person as though they were present, telling them or her the reasons why you are grateful to have them and how they affected the course of your life. Right? So today, आज आपको 3 लोगों का नाम निकालना है जिसने extraordinary difference क्रिएट किया है आपके लाइफ में. वन बाय वन यू नीड टू एक्सप्रेस योर ग्रैटिट्यूड, टॉक आउट लाउड, टेल देम व्हाई यू आर ग्रेटफुल. Make sure you do this magical practice with all 3 people in the one session, because it will take your feeling of gratitude to a far deeper level. If you split up this magical practice throughout the day, you will not feel the same depth of gratitude nor receive the magical results. तो आपको एक ही बार में बैठना है शांत जगह में, and one by one, or for all the 3 people, you need to express your gratitude one by one. Okay, so here's an example of what you might say. Sarah, I want to thank you for the time that you encouraged me to follow my heart. I was lost and confused that day, and your words touched me and lifted me out of despair. Because of what you have said, I found the courage to follow my dream, and I moved to France to work as an apprentice chef. I'm living my dream, and I could not be happier. All because of what you said to me that day. Thank you, Sarah. देखो, हर इंसान कोई ना कोई, जो भी प्रोफेशन हम चूज करें, जो भी पैशन हम चूज करें, हमेशा कोई ना कोई होता है जो हमें बताता है, राइट, यू आर गुड एट दिस, यू आर गुड एट दिस, एंड हम वो लाइफ का एक पाथ बना लेते हैं. तो उस इंसान का कितना बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है जिसने आपको एक रियलाइज करवाया कि यू आर मेंट फॉर दिस थिंग, एंड दैट्स अ बिग थिंग, बिकॉज कितने लोगों का तो पूरा लाइफ निकल जाता है ये डिसाइड करने में कि उनको क्या करना है, राइट? सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू से द रीजंस व्हाई यू आर ग्रेटफुल. And you can't say too much. Instead, the more you say, the more you'll feel, the more amazing the results will be. And you will see the magic explode into your life from doing this practice. It numbers among the most powerful acts of gratitude you can ever perform. राइट? अगर आप किसी भी इंसान को एक्सप्रेस करते हो इस तरीके से, तो वो एक्चुअली में इतना मैजिकली रिजल्ट आपके लाइफ में लेके आएगा कि आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो. क्योंकि कोई इंसान आपके लाइफ में चेंज लेके आया, उसको हम बहुत बार एक्नॉलेज भी नहीं करते, अप्रिशिएट भी नहीं करते. वी फील कि इट्स देयर ड्यूटी, इट्स देयर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, बट इट्स नॉट द सेम, राइट? If you're not in a position to talk out loud, then you can write down your words to each person, address them as though you are writing a letter. Okay? When you have completed this practice, you will feel a huge difference in the way you feel. The evidence of gratitude's power working is always that first and foremost, it makes you happy. क्योंकि आपको खुशी मिलेगा कि you're blessed to have that person in your life who are there for you no matter what, right? The secondary evidence of gratitude's power is that you attract wonderful things. And as if all of that wasn't enough, the happiness you feel after practicing gratitude also attracts more wonderful things, which will make you even happier. So that's the magic of life and that's the magical power of gratitude. तो आज आपको ऐसे तीन लोगों के नाम निकालने हैं जो एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरीली आपके लाइफ को चेंज किए हैं, एंड उन सबको आपको ग्रैटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करना है, एक ही बार में करना है. टॉक आउट लाउड टू ईच पर्सन एंड से देम व्हाई यू आर ग्रेटफुल. If you are in a position that you cannot talk out loud, then write it down as if you are writing a letter. पूरा properly address करके. Okay, so that was it for the magical practice number 12. This is the last practice for your past. Okay, so magical people who made a difference. So the first point is count your blessings. This is one thing which we are regularly doing. Make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful. At the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful as that you are, right? The second one is find a quiet place alone sometime during the day. Make a list of 3 people who have made a difference in your life. Then work through the list one by one. And while talking out loud, tell each person the reason why you are grateful to them and exactly how they affected the course of your life. Okay, so that is what you need to do. And then the regular practice, that is the magic rock practice. Say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that has happened during the day. So that was it for day 12. I hope you felt glad to do all the practices which were related to the past, and you must be feeling so blessed, right, after doing everything which is related to the past. And from tomorrow we'll be doing everything related to the future. Okay, so stay tuned for day 13. Thank you.